Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to see your applications about followers on TikTok. The first step is go to the application of TikTok, and here in the down part of the app you got 5 options. The first is the option of home. The second one is explore. You got the option of create, and the option what is our interest is the option of inbox. So you pick here, and if you want to see the application of followers, you need to pick here in the option of new followers. So here you got the people who following you, and you don't see yet that people following you, so you can see the new followers in that option. Or if you want to see the message, you got here the inbox of all your messages. You can see the activity and the chats who sent to you a video. So here you got all that option. And remember, this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.